yeah, she's going to become Muslim. So here we go. With your right hand, say Ashadu
Ashadu
Anala
Nala
Ilallah
Ilala
Washadu
Washadu
Ana
Ana
Muhammad
Muhammad
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
I bear witness
I bear witness
there's no God
there's no God
but Allah,
but Allah,
and the prophet is his messenger.
and the prophet what
Is his messenger.
is his messenger.
There we go. Tafsir Allah Akbar! She became Muslim. Alhamdulillah. Oh, alhamdulillah. How do you feel? Do you feel at peace? You're Muslim now.
Well, it's
It's beautiful. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it, seriously.
I mean it makes sense, you know.
It makes sense, right? It does make sense. It does.
And I've I don't know, I messed up on some other.
And you know what? The best thing, your past, your whole past, is clear. You're like a brand new baby right now. A brand new baby.
Oh, that's good.
Yes. So that's good. Okay, say Assalamu alaikum. Bye, everybody.
Assalamu alaikum.
You'll get it. Inshallah. Okay, bye. Assalamu alaikum. All of you have.